Hi, I'm Andreas Viestad. Join me for an exciting new season of New Scandinavian Cooking, the cooking show that explores Scandinavian cuisine, culture and history. Like going here to the westernmost part of Norway, where we'll experience sunshine and storm while cooking some of the best seafood in the world. Think of it as a kind of Nordic pesto that I just cut roughly. And this is it. It's the magic of gravlax. It's actually very, very tasty. Join me for an exciting new season of New Scandinavian Cooking.